Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y70, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started, you will need a SIM eject tool. I have one right here, and you can get it from the box, or you can also use a paper clip, straighten that one on the ends, and it should work just as well. So let's pop out the tray, which is located on the top of the device. There we go. So once you push it in, the tray will pops out. There we go. And in here you have space for 2 dedicated SIM cards and 1 SD card. So place them accordingly. I'm gonna occupy one of each. And there we go. Make sure that they're laying flush on the tray, and from there, while holding it securely, insert it back into the device. There we go. Give it a second. There we go, there is the pin for the SIM card. So obviously the SIM card is working, and SD card is working as well. And that is how you would insert SIM and SD into the device. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.